Many people don't realize that the body relies on digestive enzymes every time food is consumed. These substances help break food into smaller components such as sugars, fats, and amino acids, allowing the body to properly absorb nutrients. When the production of these enzymes is insufficient, food can remain longer in the intestines without being fully digested. This may lead to discomforts such as abdominal bloating, frequent gas, a heavy feeling in the stomach, and even deficiencies of important nutrients needed for the body to function properly. One common sign of low digestive enzyme production is experiencing gas or bloating after consuming milk and dairy products. This occurs because the small intestine may not produce enough lactase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down the natural sugar found in milk. When this sugar is not properly digested, it begins to ferment in the intestines. A natural alternative is consuming small amounts of kefir daily, since it contains natural enzymes that help digest dairy products and may reduce this type of discomfort. Another important sign can appear in stool characteristics. When stools appear greasy, float, or stick to the toilet bowl, it may indicate that fat is not being completely digested. This problem can occur when the pancreas releases insufficient lipase or when the gallbladder does not produce enough bile to dissolve fats properly. To help support this process, bitter foods such as arugula, radishes, and lemon water may naturally stimulate bile production and improve fat digestion within the body. Some people also notice nausea or discomfort when thinking about eating meat or fish. This symptom may suggest that stomach acid is weak or that the body is not producing enough enzymes to break down proteins efficiently. Over time, this may reduce the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. A simple strategy that may help support digestion is consuming a small amount of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals, which may stimulate the production of digestive juices. Another sign that many people overlook is noticing pieces of undigested plant foods in their stool. The digestion of starches actually begins in the mouth thanks to the enzyme amylase, which is present in saliva. This enzyme helps break down carbohydrates found in foods such as potatoes, grains, and seeds. When food is chewed too quickly or insufficiently, the initial stage of digestion does not occur properly. As a result, parts of these foods may pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down. The so-called brain fog that occurs after meals may also be connected to poor digestion. The liver produces bile, a fluid that works alongside digestive enzymes to break down fats and allow the absorption of nutrients that are important for brain health, such as choline and essential fatty acids. When this process does not function properly, the brain may receive fewer nutrients. This may lead to mental fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and a temporary decline in mental clarity after eating. Gradual muscle loss during aging may also be related to digestion. Many people begin to absorb amino acids and cholesterol less efficiently, nutrients that are essential for hormone production and muscle maintenance. This may happen because stomach acid naturally decreases with age, reducing the effectiveness of enzymes that break down proteins. Foods such as pineapple, papaya, and small amounts of apple cider vinegar may help stimulate digestion and support better absorption of these nutrients. Constipation is another symptom frequently associated with slow digestion. When the body produces fewer digestive enzymes, food takes longer to break down and be processed into waste. This may slow down bowel movements and make elimination more difficult. Increasing water intake throughout the day and adding a small pinch of sea salt may help stimulate the digestive system. In addition, fermented foods such as sauerkraut or fermented cabbage may help improve intestinal movement and support gut balance. Bad breath after meals may also be linked to poor digestion. When proteins are not properly broken down, they may remain in the digestive tract for longer periods and undergo fermentation. This process can release gases and strong-smelling compounds that travel upward through the digestive system, causing unpleasant breath. Similarly, external signs such as dry skin, brittle nails, or hair loss may indicate that the body is not properly absorbing nutrients needed for the health of skin and body tissues. Several factors can contribute to low digestive enzyme production, including aging, chronic stress, rushed eating habits, and frequent consumption of ultra-processed foods. To naturally support digestion, it is important to chew food slowly, avoid constant snacking throughout the day, and include foods rich in natural enzymes such as pineapple, papaya, kiwi, and broccoli sprouts. Simple drinks like lemon water or diluted apple cider vinegar before meals may also stimulate digestive juices and help improve overall digestive function.